Hello everyone, my name is Yates and this gentleman next to me is Keegan. Today's video is all about his incredible machine. I can't believe I'm saying this, it's a Stage 3 modified Volkswagen Golf R.
Growing up, I've always loved cars. My father and my grandfather have always been into the car scene, so I think naturally being born into that, I've just loved it. Started growing a great passion from young, always used to get the Speed and Sound magazines. Primary school, into high school, YouTube coming out, all the YouTube videos, and yeah, I've always loved it. I've had this car for about 6 months now and it's been an amazing experience. I've loved it. I love the versatility. I can daily it, I race it, I can just jump in the car and drive to Cape Town from Joburg.
What engine is in the car and do you know how much power it makes?
So it has a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine. It makes about 220 kilowatts stock. It's making now 412 kilowatts at Joburg. Performance modifications include IS38 ball bearing hybrid turbo with all the sporting mods. So it has an intercooler, downpipe, intake, flex fuel kit, water meth. It has an FTF high pressure fuel pump, integrated engineering, oil catch can. It has a fully forged motor, 1000cc injectors, racing spark plugs. It also has a Valvetronic exhaust.
What made you decide to get this car?
Well, I started drag racing with my previous car and I really enjoyed it. I wanted something all-wheel drive and something I can make high power. Golf R is a great platform and it's all-wheel drive, so it's safe.
What are some of the visual modifications you've done to the car?
So to the car, it's been fully kitted out by Sportsmax Design. They did the front lip, rear diffuser and the spoiler. And then they also wrapped the badges as well as the side mirrors.
What is one of your favorite memories of the car?
My favorite memory would probably be Easter weekend drag racing, the MSA event, beating Audi RS3.
RS3 Mac Daddy got 2.5 liters and one extra piston.
I think my money's on lane 1.
Oh no, that's a nice side-by-side race, ladies and gentlemen. G7 holding his own and slightly in the lead. Oh, he's staying in the lead. Wow, that's a good race.
Lane 1!
When taking the car to the track, what are your times looking like?
So the quickest time we ran with this car is 11.6 at Outtro. That is a quarter mile time.
What are your future plans for the car?
So my plan for this car right now is actually nothing. Maybe just a retune here in Cape Town for the altitude. But I'm hoping with the setup we'll run a 10 at Kalani in a quarter mile.
Is there anyone you'd like to thank who helped you with the car?
Yeah, I'd like to thank GST Motorsport. They fully built the car. Everything performance-wise is done by them. I'd also like to thank Sportsmax Design for helping with the body kit and wrapping and always been willing to help.
Do you have a name for the car?
No. I'm not saying that name on the YouTube video. No, I'm not going to say that name.
Thank you so much, Keegan, for chatting to us about your car. But now I think let's go do a launch or two and show some driving sequences. And push record there. And golf R, clap, clap.
Golf R.
How's it look up there?
It's clear down here, mate. I can't see anything coming around the corner.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'll let you know. Okay, I'm good.
later.
Once again, Keegan, thank you so much for letting us have some fun with your car today. I really appreciate it. This is definitely an experience that I will never forget. And then also shout out to Justin for putting us in contact with each other and making this video possible. And then to everybody who's watching, thank you so much. Cheers.